Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Studios. I am Lily and in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating a Snapchat account. In order to create a Snapchat account, firstly make sure you have Snapchat installed on your app. If not, go to the App Store to download the Snapchat app. Once you have downloaded the Snapchat app, tap on the Snapchat icon to open the app. As you are going to create a new account, so tap on Sign Up. Now you will have to enter your first name and last name. So let me enter my first name. As last name is optional, so I'm skipping it for now and then tap on continue. Now you'll have to select your birth date and then tap on continue. Now you need to choose a username for your Snapchat account. So let me insert my username. This username is available, so now tap on continue. Now you'll need to set a password for your Snapchat account. Make sure your password is of at least 8 characters. So now let me set my password. Now tap on continue. Now you will have to insert your email ID. So let me insert my email ID. Then tap on finish. You'll also have to insert your phone number, but it's not compulsory. So for this tutorial, I'll skip it for now. Now to sync your contacts, tap on continue. Your contacts have been synced and you can see suggestions to add new Snap users from your contacts. You can add whom you like or skip it for now. For this tutorial, let me skip it for now. In order to confirm, tap on skip again. Snapchats are fun with Bitmojis, so click on continue to create your own Bitmoji. You have an option for male or female Bitmoji, so let me tap on female ones. In order to create a personalized Bitmoji, you will have to put your face in the center. So based on my face, Snapchat has suggested me 3 Bitmojis. Choose the one you like the most and tap on continue. My avatar is ready now, so click on done in the top right corner of the screen. And hence your new Snapchat account is created. Thanks for watching and follow us for more tutorials like this.